Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. And in front of you guys, I have some cool accessories brought to you by AT&T for your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. As you can see, the big boy box. These are the accessories I'm going to unbox and demonstrate the chargings and the capabilities of these, and let you know that they are compatible with your Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. All right, as you can see, I have the Note 20 Ultra right here in front. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox the charging brick. So before we do that, let's just go ahead and run down the specifications of this charging brick. It's a fast charger plus USB A wall charger. AT&T fast charge compatible, capable. It charges up to 70% faster than standard chargers. It charges up to 50% in 30 minutes. Charges two devices simultaneously with single USB-C port plus single USB-A port. Foldable AC prongs. Its total output is 30 watts. Rapidly charges most portable devices. Power delivery output USB-C 5 watt to 3A, 9V to A, 12VA, and 1.5A. Also, it has USB power delivery 3.0 PPS certified. So this is the charging brick. We're going to go ahead and unbox it, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. This is in the AT&T stores. If you got a Samsung Galaxy Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and unwrap this real fast. Here we go. All right, as you can see, all right, here we go. Got that. Got the USB-B and the USB Type C. USB-A, I mean. All right, and then we got the prong that you can close up. Okay, for portability. And here it's the USB-C to USB-C braided cable. It's fast charge. It's tested and certified by AT&T. All right. So what are the features from this one? The specifications are AT&T fast charge compatible, braided cables, more durable and tangle free. 10 feet long cable. Okay. Use this cable for charging and data transfer. So you can use it for data transfer for another device, or you can use it for charging. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and unbox this and unwrap it. All right. So this is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and unwrap it for you. This is a long cord, so this will be very easy. You have to worry about pulling it out the socket. Here we go. All right. Wow. Okay. So now you know. I'm not trying not to get it tangled up, but yeah, it's already tangled up. That was on its own. So here is the cord, the cable. Okay. All right. So you want to use the USB-C to USB-C. This is the AT&T version. All right, and then we're gonna plug it up to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, AT&T. All right, so then you want to use that. Okay. As a matter of fact, this does need charging, as you can see. It's in the red. All right. So let's just see what it looks like once we get it plugged up. Let me go put the phone right there. There you go. There you go. All right, it's at 11%, as you can see. Okay. Now, according to this, it would take an hour and 10 minutes of full charge. All right. But yeah, so here we have it, the unboxing of the AT&T wall charger, AT&T fast charge plus USB-A, and the AT&T USB-C to USB-C braided cable fast charge. All right, man. Let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. Did you know AT&T made their own chargers for the Note 20 Ultra? All right, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.